Chapter 9, Immigration to Canada. Can I become a Canadian citizen if I have a criminal record? Yes, but becoming a Canadian citizen will become more difficult. The Department of Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, which is responsible for citizenship, will consider criminal convictions that you got both inside and outside of Canada. Your criminal record will prohibit you from getting Canadian citizenship in certain situations. For example, if you were convicted of an indictable offense within 4 years of you applying for Canadian citizenship, or if you were in prison on probation or on parole, or if you are currently under a removal order. To simplify your path to citizenship, you should get a pardon or record suspension for offenses committed within Canada. Can I get permanent residency with a criminal record? Yes, you can get permanent residency with a criminal record. However, first you should clear your criminal record. For convictions in Canada, you should get a pardon or record suspension. For convictions committed outside of Canada, you should get criminal rehabilitation. Can I become a Canadian citizen if I was charged but not convicted? Yes, your non-conviction should not impact your chances of becoming a Canadian citizen. If you were charged but not convicted, this is called a non-conviction. Examples of non-convictions include charges that were withdrawn, dismissed, stayed, acquitted, diverted, or discharged, both absolute and conditional. These non-convictions should not have any impact on your path to Canadian citizenship. Can I get a pardon or record suspension in Canada if I am not a Canadian citizen? Yes, you do not have to be a Canadian citizen to get a pardon or record suspension in Canada. However, if you currently reside in Canada, you will need to prove your current immigration status.